Within each of us exists a gigantic energy, ready to be used and manipulated in any way we wish. It is a creative energy, the very essence that gives us life, our vital energy. This force, which at first seems invisible, is entirely tangible in its effects. For many, it is a mystery, an esoteric concept, but in reality, it is everywhere and at all times, pulsing with life, with consciousness. The question is, how can we control this energy so that it works in our favor? In this video, you will learn the first steps to control your vital energy using principles of occultism, Hermeticism, and ancient energy control practices such as Qi Gong. Prepare to awaken the power that lies dormant within you. To take the first steps in energy control, it is essential to understand what it really is and how it manifests. In the esoteric world, energy is known by various names: prana, chi, ether, or simply vital force. Franz Bardon, in Initiation into Hermetics, describes energy as the essential element that connects the soul, spirit, and physical body. He states, "Without the control of energy, man is but a leaf in the wind of the forces of the universe. This vital energy is the driving force behind all of our existence. In practical terms, it can be perceived as vitality and health, as emotion and feelings, and even as intention in thoughts." Eliphas Levi calls this energy magnetic fluid, a subtle substance that fills the universe and can be shaped by the will. In his book, Dogma and Ritual of High Magic, he emphasizes, energy is like a river. It flows naturally but can be diverted, channeled, and transformed. He says, "He who knows the secret of the magnetic fluid can turn thoughts into reality, desires into strength, the very soul into light." From this view, understanding how energy works is recognizing that it is not separate from you. It is your essence molded by your actions, thoughts, and emotions, with each breath you take. Therefore, learning to control it is in fact a process of aligning with this flow. Aleister Crowley, in his work, Magick Without Tears, explains that energy control begins with the balance of the three aspects of the human being. The body, physical and vital energy, is sustained by nutrition, breathing, and movement. The mind, thoughts, and intentions generate vibrations that directly affect the energy field. The spirit, the most subtle and powerful source, the origin of all energy. He summarized this idea in one of his most striking quotes: "Magic is the art of transforming reality through disciplined will, and will is energy in its purest form." At the heart of Chinese philosophy and practices like Qi Gong, the ancient Chinese art where energy flow is controlled through breathing, Qi is described as the universal vital force that permeates everything that exists. It is the breath of life, the essence that animates the body, sustains the mind, and nourishes the spirit. Qi Gong offers a practical understanding of energy, showing that it can be felt and manipulated by anyone. These practices help regulate the nervous system, blood circulation, and increase body awareness to a very precise level. In Taoist tradition, it is believed that Qi arises from the union of yin and yang, the opposing and complementary forces that compose the universe. It is both material and immaterial, a bridge between the tangible and the intangible. Qi is linked to biologic processes, such as blood circulation, digestion, the functioning of organs. It flows through specific channels in the body called meridians, forming an intricate energy network. It is also the energy that sustains thoughts, emotions, and mental clarity. When Qi is blocked, confusion and emotional imbalance arise. On a higher plane, Qi connects the practitioner to the cosmos, serving as a tool for spiritual awakening. There are 12 primary meridians, each connected to a vital organ, such as the heart, liver, and kidneys, and 8 extraordinary meridians, which store and regulate energy. When the flow of Qi is harmonious, the body functions in a balanced way. But when there are blockages, physical or psychological diseases emerge. Imagine the meridians as rivers irrigating a field. If there is a blockage, The water stagnates and the land becomes diseased. The practice of Qi Gong is essentially the art of keeping these rivers flowing freely. In the world of occultism, the mind is the master key to energy control. Before learning to direct external forces, it is essential to understand and master internal energies. Franz Bardon, in his foundational works, especially Initiation into Hermetics, emphasizes energy control is impossible without a disciplined mind. According to him, the mind is both the conductor and the framework of the energy flow. He teaches that the human mind functions as a magnet for universal energy. Thoughts, emotions, and intentions shape the energy flow that circulates the body and beyond. He introduces a universal truth. To manipulate external energies, the mind must be clean and focused. The first step in this process is introspection. The path to controlling your energy begins with simple, yet deeply transformative steps. First, we will learn how to cultivate energy awareness through practical exercises that anyone can do. Initial practice: body scanning. Find a quiet place. Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Begin focusing your attention on your feet and slowly move upward through your waist, stomach, lungs, neck, and up to the top of your head, noticing each sensation. Imagine that energy is awakening in every part of the body as your attention passes through it. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes daily. This practice increases body awareness, relaxes the body, and prepares the energy system for deeper work. Eliphas Levi said that breathing is the means by which we absorb and redistribute the magnetic fluid. In Qi Gong, the control of Qi is done through breath control, so it's time to learn how to breathe. Basic practice: conscious abdominal breathing. Sit upright or lie on your back. Place one hand on your abdomen and the other on your chest. Inhale deeply through your nose, expanding your abdomen while keeping your chest still. Exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing the abdomen to contract. Focus on the rhythm of your breath, feeling it as a flow of energy entering and leaving. Complete 10 cycles of this breathing twice a day. In addition to calming the mind, this practice aligns the energy flow and activates the energy center known as the lower dantian, located below the navel, where Qi is stored. Now let's move to an exercise to feel the flow of vital energy moving within you. Practice energy in the hands. Sit comfortably with your back straight. Position your hands in front of your body at chest level, palms facing each other. Breathe deeply 3 times. On the next inhale, fill your belly and lungs with as much air as possible and hold for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly, imagining the palms of your hands warming. Visualize the flow of energy circulating through your body and heading toward your hands. Continue breathing deeply, and with each exhale, your hands get warmer and warmer. Feel the tips of your fingers charged with energy. Do this for 5 minutes daily, and you will soon be ready for the next steps. Emotions are the paint, the mind is the brush, and the universe is the canvas. What you feel inevitably becomes what you create. If you felt the energy stirring within you, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, share it with others on the path, and subscribe for more powerful insights into ancient wisdom and self-mastery. Drop a comment below. Let us know how you're awakening your inner force. Till next time, stay aligned, stay aware, and keep mastering your reality.